Unsay kalahian sa precocious child o gifted child? Well, related sila pero dili exactly parehas. A precocious child shows skills, intelligence, or maturity earlier than usual for their age. It focuses on being ahead of schedule. For example, a 3-year-old reading books meant for 7-year-olds. A gifted child has an exceptional ability or intelligence often far above average. It can be in academics, music, arts, leadership, or creativity. Being gifted is not just early development, it is a higher level of natural ability overall. Karon ang mga precocious nga mga bata, pwede sila magmukha nga gifted kay ahead man gud sila sa ilang mga kaedad. Pero dili tanan gifted kay ang uban sa ilaha later on mag-level na sila sa ilang mga kaedad. Nag-advance lang gyud sila sa yun na develop. Ang mga gifted nga mga bata magpadayon nga advance ug magpadayon nga magpakita og abilidad nga labaw jud sa uban. For example, a precocious child may talk in full sentences at age 2. A gifted child not only talks early, but may also understand complex ideas, learn languages quickly, or show deep creativity that persists as they grow. Now, you may have a precocious child, but there will be tests that teachers or schools will do in order to conclude if your child is gifted or just precocious.